National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flood warning for southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Bagua, Westfield, Southwick, Russell, Granville, Blandford, Montgomery, and Toland. A flood warning means that significant flooding is imminent or has been reported. Do not drive through flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Taunton